The Forest Talent Show. Characters: Toby the Turtle, shy but smart, loves to drum on tree trunks. Leela the Fox, clever, confident, loves to sing. Pip the Parrot, talkative and funny, loves to announce everything loudly. Story: deep in the heart of the green forest, all the animals were buzzing with excitement. It was the day of the Great Forest Talent Show. Pip the Parrot flew from tree to tree shouting, "Ladies and gentle animals, the show starts soon. Gather around." Leela the Fox brushed her tail proudly. "I'm going to win with my beautiful song," she said. Toby the Turtle, sitting nearby, smiled shyly. I might try playing the drums," he whispered. Leela laughed gently. "Drums? But you move so slowly, Toby. You'll never keep up." Toby lowered his head. "Maybe, but I'll still try." The show begins. One by one, the animals performed. The monkeys juggled coconuts, the birds danced in the air, and Lila the Fox stepped up next. Her voice echoed beautifully through the trees. Everyone clapped. Finally, it was Toby's turn. He looked nervous. Pip cheered, "Give it up for Toby the Turtle!" Toby started tapping his shell with small twigs. Tock, tock, tock. Then he drummed on a hollow log. Boom, tap, boom. Slowly the rhythm grew louder and faster. The forest filled with music. Birds swayed, squirrels danced. Even Lila's tail began to wag to the beat. When Toby finished, everyone cheered. Pip shouted, "That's the best beat I've ever heard." Lila came over smiling. "Toby, I was wrong. You've got the best rhythm in the forest." Toby smiled proudly. Slow and steady can still make great music. Moral of the story: everyone has a special talent. You just need courage to show it.